Probably wants a ride. Hop Hop is opening the hood of the car. There's an ant there, and also
A triangle.
put the pieces into the car. A triangle, a square.
Hey,
There are 3 shapes still missing.
let's go and look.
No? You don't want to go, Peck?
That's right. We can ride.
That's a great idea, little birds. Are the ants going too? There's even a place for Hop Hop. Off we go! The birds are going to look for some shapes for their toy. The wheel is spinning really fast. A snail is crawling along the road. It just passed a cylinder. Ah, it got scared.